How to fix Realme C53 or C55 connected without internet. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your router. After restart your router, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can turn on or off your do not disturb. After turn on or off your do not disturb, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. On top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.